ay naging usap-usapan. Ngayong gabi, dadaanin na lang nila sa kantahan. Once again, eto na ang 12, ang finalist ng Philippine Idol. Welcome to Philippine Idol, ang pinakamainit at pinakamatinding talent search sa Pilipinas ngayon. Tonight, well, it's gonna be Soul Night. Ibig sabihin, lahat ng ating mga contest pieces ngayon ay may impluensyang soul. Pero ano nga ba talaga ang soul music? Pakinggan natin to.
Yung soul and R&B, basically, lahat ng yan nagsimula sa blues. Yung soul naman basically is a type of R&B na danceable. Nadidinig mo yung mga James Brown, Aretha Franklin, Stevie Wonder, Marvin Gaye, and even si Ray Charles nandun. Later on, sasangayin sa mga yung tinatawag nilang contemporary R&B music na yung mga mapapauso nila Michael Jackson, Boyz II Men, Janet Jackson, Mariah Carey, Mary J. Blige, Alicia Keys, sila J-Lo, Asher, Beyonce. Talagang malaking influence ng R&B soul music sa Pinoy eh. Kaya nga't ngayon nauuso sina Nina, sila Kyla. Dahil nga yung mga kulot-kulot na yan, we can relate to the music but we really have to learn it well.
Salamat, Kuya Mel, sa iyong paglilinaw. Palakpakan natin ang ating musical director na si Mel Villena. Tonight, makakasama pa rin natin ang ating idol band at ang brass section ng San Miguel Philharmonic Orchestra courtesy of San Miguel Corporation. Welcome to Philippine Idol, guys. Last week, Hindi natin na-expect ang mga nangyari sa Philippine Idol. Dahil sa bagyong milenyo nung Thursday, nagkaroon tayo ng mga technical problems. Kaya para fair sa lahat, wala muna tayong tinanggal. At dahil walang na-eliminate, meron tayong 12 finalists pa rin tonight. Pero bukas, dalawa na sa kanila ang may eliminate. Sila yung dalawang may lowest votes by tomorrow night. Bali, the votes from last weekend will be added to the votes that you will be making this weekend at yung sumatotal nun ang magiging basis ng kanilang standing. Kasama sa mga nagulat sa mga pangyayari ng huling results night ay ang mga judges nating sina Francis Magalona, Pilita Corrales at Ryan Keviab. You guys were surprised last week.
Very.
Gusto nyo lang akong batuhin ng
Oh,
mati.
talaga, talaga.
Ano masasabi nyo tungkol sa nangyari last weekend and what do you expect for tonight? FM,
Dapat tuloy ang bagyo.
ng performance.
No, I want to see more thunder, more excitement.
Alright. More thunder, more excitement. Mamita.
I think it was only fair also because so many of the lines were off the air, no? So maybe many people who wanted to send a message, no? So it was fair. The only thing I didn't like what you did, that's all. Because I
We
was
had
already
to.
ready to go cry. I was covering my face. Pagkatapos pala, sabihin mo lang tatanggal.
Okay lang yun.
Pero I was
Excited.
so happy after that.
But what do you expect
I
this weekend?
wanted to go there and kiss you that night. Pero
Oh!
andun si Juday, hindi na ako sumama.
Mamita, what do you expect this weekend? It's soul time.
I know. I just hope that, I think it's going to be a very fun show, no?
Okay.
Because last week, as Mr. C was saying, medyo puro OPM, medyo boring nga ang
Yeah.
ginamit ni
Puro
Mr.
slow
C.
songs kasi.
Oo. But I hope that they do justice to the soul music.
Alright. Thank you very much, Mamita.
Thank you.
Mr. C.
I expect them to give more than 100% tonight. You know,
Okay.
soul, R&B. There's no limit to excesses in this kind of genre. So they have to give more than what they usually give.
Bigay na to.
Dapat sobrang bigay. Ito ang R&B.
Alright. Thank you very much, Mr. C. Judges, maraming salamat. Guys, you heard it from the judges. Mr. C said it. Kailangan todo bigay dahil R&B, there's no limit to the excesses. So, eto na, no more second chances this weekend. Kaya parang PBA. Laban kung laban na ang finalist sa performance night na ito. For our first finalist, sabi ni FM last week, dapat na magpakita naman siya ng ibang style. May bago kaya siyang ipapakita ngayon? Silipin natin kung paano naghanda si Mau Marcelo.
Kantahin ko po ay Crazy in Love by Beyonce. Kinakanta ko na rin siya, yung mga soul and R&B. Isa po siya sa mga piyesa ko talaga sa banda.
She just has to work on yung mga ad-libs, one. She also has to work on yung lyrics. So I guess it's really going to be a challenge, no? How she's going to work on it and how she's going to make it sound like she owns the song.
Medyo upbeat naman yung song ko. Sabi kasi ni Francis M, gusto niya variety eh. So, eto na ako, sasayawan ko talaga siya.
I look since then, turning eyes. You touch me and boom boom anytime. Call my name, I'm begging you, let go. Call my name 2-3 times in a row. Such a funny thing for me, try to explain. I'm feeling in the crowd as a one of them. Cause I don't know understand. Cause I know I've been paying no escape. I'm loving so crazy right now. Your love's got me looking so crazy right now. Got me looking so crazy right now. Your touch got me hoping to save me right now. Got me looking so crazy right now. Your touch got me hoping to save me right now. Looking so crazy in love. Got me looking so crazy in love. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. You got me, you got me. Crazy.